Hey guys, we are looking at my client's credit report through Credit Karma, and yep, he came to us not too long ago, and we fixed his credit. Just give me 1 second. And now look, I was able to get his score up to, I think 800 right now, 808, 800 something. Yeah, I got his score up to 800 and 702. Okay. So let's go ahead and look at what I was able to help him get to. Look, Bank of America account opened. Ooh, that was recent. So, not too long ago, about a week ago, he got this, a few days ago. Instantly approved because he followed my steps, increased his credit score. And let's go back to the report to see exactly what card this is. Okay, so Bank of America account. Look at that. $18,000 credit limit. Okay? Amazing. $18,000 credit limit. So this is the type of credit cards that I basically get my clients. I get them the top tier cards. And then he has this one, Citi, CBNA, zero balance, $30,000 limit there. Okay? And we got this collection. I got to remove that. No big deal. Okay, now let's go to the TransUnion report. Bank of America. So as you can see, we'll go back. I got these collections off his report, and that increases score. Okay, so that's good. And I got his Citi card increase to 33. So he has $3,000, so it's $33,000 right there. And yeah, really good. He's following all the steps. Go back, come on. All right. Pretty good. Pretty good for John. Cleaned up his credit, and now he is excellent. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys. That's what I get. That's what I do for my clients. Okay, that's one of the things that I do. Is I help them get credit cards. We can look into another. We can look into another. Report here. This guy joined my program. 2 weeks ago. Okay. He joined my program 2 weeks ago. And I got his score in the 800s. Oh, well, it dropped a little bit. It was 800. Let's go back. You can see I got all these collections removed off his account. So he's in the high 700s too. His score is going to be good. Cleaned him up pretty much. We can look at his type of accounts that he has. He doesn't have too many credit cards, but I'm going to get him. That's the next step. I'm going to get him some credit cards for sure. Look at Equifax, 754. No problems. Okay, let's go ahead and look at one of my other clients. I think his score is 800 too. I think his name is John. Yeah. Oh, I got two Johns. Oh, I got many clients that are John. So this guy, he should be like 800 something, I think. Oh, wow. It's not. Oh my God. What happened? It's supposed to be 800. Was it 800 at one point? No. Okay. Well, as you can see, his points just keep on increasing. See all the stuff I got removed. Ton of stuff removed. Collections removed. See that? Collections removed. Well, he's almost there. He's in the high 700s, which is good. See, got the payment history I got to clear up. He's been a client for I think a couple months. Let's go to the other John. His score might be 800. I know somebody's score is 800. So it's try to find it here. Maybe it's this one. Oh, okay. Well, that's it, guys. That's all I'm going to show you for now. So I just wanted to show you some of the files that I worked on, and yeah.